Hey guys, today's I will showing in this video how to change eye color just few minutes.
Let's go main tutorial.
First open your photo with Photoshop. Open layer option. Click adjustment layer option to curves. Now increase curves just like that. Go to layer option. Select the mask and hold Ctrl button and press I. Now take brush tools. Keep foreground color white and background color black, then paint brush over the eye, just like that. Remember, don't paint outside on the eye. Just paint inside. Again, go to adjustment layer to hue saturation option. Select colorist and take blue color sample with adjustment the slider. Again, go to layer option and select saturation, then hold Ctrl and press I. Again, take brush tools and keep foreground color white and background color black. Again, paint over the eye. So we are again go to adjustment layer option and select hue saturation. Select colorist and take yellow color sample by adjusting slider. Now go to layer option and select saturation. Hold Ctrl then press I. Again take brush tools and keep foreground color white, background black. Then simple paint just like that. Now double-click saturation adjustment layer and adjust color by using slider easily. Now go back layer option and double-click saturation from first layer and adjust eye center color by using slider easily. So guys, I hope this tutorial very attractive and helpful for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment your opinion.